To thank the Senate and the Honorable Chairperson of the Committee on Finance, Senator Sherwin Gatchalian, for the approval of the budget of the Office of the Vice President. Actually, yan yung discussion namin kanina because we were in a meeting with the Office of the Vice President. Was in a Zoom meeting. And then, wala kaming sagot, ma'am. Hindi ko alam kung bakit mag-isa ako sa House of Representatives. And then, suddenly, nandito sila. Sumama sila dito. Pero, madami kasi ang mga personnel ng Office of the Vice President na merong some sort of anxiety pag pumupunta sila sa House of Representatives dahil sa mga nangyari noong nakaraang taon. Likely baka yun yung rason bakit ayaw nila ako samahan doon sa HOR.